Hey Luke. Hey monkey. Can we say mom? Luke. Luke. Let's say mom. Mommy. Mom. I don't know what he heard. Just had to leave the room. Let's go find out. Let's go, boys. Let's go find out where he went. Come on. Hi. What did you hear that you had to go out there? Butch, what are you doing? Get away there. Thank you. Is that a box? Box. Hey, Luke. Say, mom. Mom. Hey, let's say mom. Mom. Say mom.